Good day everyone! Today, we will discuss a topic that significantly affects not only young individuals but also families, communities, and societies as a whole, teenage pregnancy. This is an issue that demands attention because it has a long-term implications on the lives of the teenagers, their families, and even future generations. In the next few minutes, we will explore its causes, effects, and ways to address it, as well as how we can collectively provide support to prevent and manage this challenge. Before I proceed this significant topic, allow me first to introduce myself. I am Jessel B. Tagalog. Thank you so much for inviting me here to be a guest and discuss the significant issues in our community. So now, let's define what is teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy refers to girls aged 19 or younger becoming pregnant. While it's a global issue, it's more prevalent in developing countries where access to education and reproductive health services is limited. Teenage mothers face not only physical and emotional challenges but also social and economic consequences that can shape their lives permanently. So now, let us first understand the root causes of teenage pregnancy. So first is lack of education and awareness. So many teenagers do not fully understand reproductive health, family planning, and the consequences of unprotected sex. So minsan, walang access sa tamang impormasyon sa school or even sa bahay. So second is peer pressure and influence. So during adolescence, peer approval becomes important. So some teenagers may feel pressured to engage in risky behaviors, including sexual activity, just to fit in and gain acceptance. The third is family environment. So a broken home or lack of parental guidance can lead young people to seek affection and validations elsewhere, sometimes resulting in risky behaviors. The next is media influence. So exposure to inappropriate content on TV, social media, and other platforms can influence teens' perceptions of relationship and sexuality. So the last is limited access to healthcare services. So in some communities, reproductive health services and contraception are not readily available or are stigmatized, making it difficult for teens to make informed choices. So teenage pregnancies has far-reaching consequences. So let's look at its impact on various aspects of that. So first is health risk. Young mothers face a higher risk of complications during pregnancy and childbirth, such as preeclampsia, anemia, and preterm birth. Their babies are also more likely to be born and underweight or with health problems. So second is educational challenges. So many teenage mothers drop out of school due to the demands of pregnancy and motherhood. This limits their opportunities to secure good jobs in the future, trapping them in the cycle of poverty. So the third is emotional and mental impact. Pregnancy at young age often leads to stress, depression, and anxiety. Teenage mothers may feel overwhelmed by their responsibilities and face judgment from society, affecting their self-esteem. Fourth is economic burden. Without a stable source of income, teenage mothers often struggle to provide their children. This can lead to dependence on their families or even government assistance. The fifth is impact on the child. Children of teenage mothers are higher risk of health problems, lower academic achievement, and even behavioral issues. The cycle of poverty and lack of opportunities often continues for the next generations. The sixth is social stigma. Teenage mothers often face discrimination and judgments from society, which can isolate them and make it harder to access support. Now, how can we address this issue effectively? So first is educational awareness. So comprehensive sex education should be part of the school curriculum. Teens need to understand their bodies, relationship, and the consequences of their actions. Importante rin ang pagtuturo sa kanila ng values at decision-making skills. Second is parental guidance. Open communication between parents and children is vital. Parents should create a safe space where teens feel comfortable asking questions and sharing concerns. The third is access to healthcare services. Providing access to reproductive health services, including contraception, can empower teens to make informed decisions. These services should be free from stigma and judgment. The fourth is community support. Communities should create programs that support young mothers, such as counseling, childcare, and educational opportunities. These initiatives can help them build a better future. Empowerment of young women. The fifth is empowerment of young women. So, empowering young women through education and skills building can reduce the likelihood of teenage pregnancy. When girls have dreams and aspirations, they are more likely to make choices that align with their goals. So, sixth is government's policies and policies makers should implement and fund programs that address teenage pregnancy, focusing on education, healthcare, and community support. Okay, so as we reflect this issue, let's remember that teenage pregnancy is not just a personal matter. It is just a societal challenge. Each of us has a role to play. Teachers, parents, health workers, policymakers, and even peers can contribute to preventing teenage pregnancies and support young mothers. Let's foster an environment where teenagers can grow up informed, empowered, and support so they can make choices that lead to a brighter future. So together, we can break the cycle of teenage pregnancy and its consequences. From a broader perspective, teenage pregnancy places a strain on families and communities. Families may experience emotional and financial burdens as they support a young mother and her child. Communities often bear the cost of increased social services, healthcare, and educational support for these young families. The children of teenage parents also face challenges. Studies show that they are more likely to experience health problems, academic struggles, and poverty, which can affect their overall well-being and future opportunities. So despite these challenges, there is hope that education and open communication about sexual health and responsible decision-making can significantly reduce teenage pregnancy rates. By providing access to healthcare, contraception, and support system is equally essential. Communities must also foster an environment that empower young people to pursue their goals and make informed choices. Therefore, teenage pregnancy is not just a personal issue. It is a societal challenge that requires compassion, education, and action. So by addressing its roots, causes, and offering support to those affected, we can create a future where every young person has the opportunity to thrive. So in conclusion, teenage pregnancy is a complex issue with significant impacts on health, education, and society. By addressing its roots, causing, and providing the necessary support, we can give young people the chance to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives. Let's commit to making this change happen for the teens of today and generations to come. That's all for my message or discussions, and thank you.